Set your life on fire and seek those who fan your flames. Don't be hanging with no jank-ass jokers that don't help you shine. Look at your last 5 text messages. Are those people feeding your flames or dousing your fire? Look around. Look to the people around you. Are those people throwing logs on your fire or are they pissing on it? The people that you spend time with are gonna make or break your dreams. Everybody don't deserve to be around you. You gotta defend your light with your life. So who are the people in your life that are fanning your flames? Shout them out, tag them below.